Chapter 7 Manufacturing Industries. Hey chapter ki kom ding wa poimo ken khatte ile agro based industries, mineral based industries, industrial pollution. Then pa ding wa agro based industry point number 1, cotton textile industry. It is the oldest industry in India. Industry tengla ka India oldest pen akum lui pen cotton textile industry hi. The first textile mill was established. The first textile mill established in Mumbai in 1854. 1854 kuma first cotton textile mill in India Mumbai aki established hi. Wise yagma taka Mumbai pen cottonopolis lekichi hi cotton munpi. Ahmedabad is the largest producer of cotton textiles in India. India cotton textile aki produce tampen aki produce ke tampen amuna hile aki tam produce ke mun pe na hile Ahmedabad ahi Gujarat. Achile cotton textile industry pen bangjaka Mumbai se ding chi ending reasons for the localization of cotton industry in Mumbai. Number 1, cotton is easily found in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Iat non cham Gujarat to Maharashtra pen iat changa India allocation iat changa Deccan Plateau laka anom khai black soil region. Wise yakta ka Maharashtra chiyam Gujarat chiyam lei pen cotton alena hoi wise yaka cotton pen Gujarat to Maharashtra ki muthei ai jaka cotton textile industry ki chipen Mumbai ki setup ahe. Reason number 2, facilities of port. Mumbai chi island hiya. Island hi tungto na port harbor longhol namun le ana hi jaka ya Mumbai port hi jaka facilities of port pen aho in wajak a transportation na ding ake 1 lakh to na ding ake one textile mill aki produce te azwak na dia transportation pen port hoi tak om jaka Mumbai cotton industry pen 1984 kum hole ana ki setup hi. Achile point number 2 thumna ending wa easy import of machinery. Why industry ki setup na dia Mumbai cotton textile industry ki setup na dia machine poimo Indian na ilo te khong bang aki import na dia po long khol lamun pia hi jaka honol sam dia kai. Financial capital. Mumbai chicha financial capital ayan wa industry ki setup na dia loan apoi mo omle financial capital la hi dungzuya all sam ta kamuthei. Bana cheap labor ki chi all sam ta kamuthei azyak chu Mumbai chicha khopi hi jaka na sem ding tam cheap labor tamahi. Large market bangle Mumbai bangle khopi hi dungzuya market omsa hi jaka a finished products te azwang na gamna lo. Tena ki goma Mumbai textile cotton industry aki localized na san 18 aki goma hi. Jute textile industry in Nondiwa. Reasons for the localization of jute industry in Hooghly Basin. Bangja ka jute textile industry kichi Hooghly Basin om hiyam chi endiwa. Point number 1 na nearness to the jute growing area. Hooghly Basin is pen Hooghly Basin to jute growing region pen ki gamna lo ki na ichika izaka ki localize hi Hooghly Basin area. Number ni na good network of railways and roadways ki kom to na transportation system pen hoi izaka e Hooghly Basin industry pen ki localize hi. Number 2 na cheap labor then again na khopi Hooghly Basin pen Kolkata to kina ehi jaka Kolkata sungma hiya wai jaka mitam wai bana jute textile industry na same ding bang kita samlo cheap labor. Next point facilities of port. Facilities of port is Kolkata bangle Mumbai dan dewa port khat a hi zia ka avan azwa khet na ding avan apwa khet na ding ake pwalu na ding apwai port pen ki jang thei le la hi zia ka bana water transport ka cheapest means of transport hi zok to yai ahi zok to Zoo textile industry ki localize India a reason hoi tak factors liam tak honi khahi. Point number 5 na banking and insurance provided by Kolkata. Industry khat pe ma ke setup changa loan bang un poimo why loan te akile financial backup na dia Kolkata pin hopia na kinai jaka why financial companies tampiom why teloina insurance apoimo aikile loan apoimo teloi provide thegi ge jaka ai jaka jut industry ki chipen hukli besina ki localize hi ki setup hi to ateng ki goma jut textile industry nearness to the jut growing area chi te bang aikile good network of railways and roadways, cheap labor, facilities of port, banking and insurance provided by Calcutta chi teng ki goma yaite ziaka jute textile industry ki chipen hugli besina ki setup hugli besina ki bol ki lamkia hi sugar industry in Nondiwa sugar industry reasons for the shifting of the industry towards the south nidanga sugar industry ki North India tamzo India sugar industry teng tamzo North India omahi hochima banga sugar cane cultivation le North India ayanga kumbangza yam paita ki panwa North lama industry te beya ya kiamya ya ina south lama kisif ki transfer sukai bangja ka south lama ki transfer sukyam chi ending the yield per hectare is higher a production yield aki harvest yield per hectare pen kha south lama hoizo number na sucrose content is higher sucrose is changa huya sucrose is changa sugar cane call to akhum sak pen akhum na pen kha sucrose hiya why sucrose content pen kha north lamsanga south lama a content pen sangzo on simple word again call to te south lama khumzo north sanga point number 3 na temperature in the south that is between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius between January and April is more ideal than the north. Achia, yeah, South Lama Bangzaka sugar industry kisifiam chila point number 29 Aziaka hile temperature South Lama temperature pen sugar cane plantation adia more ideal hoizo. North Lamsanga a temperature pen hoizo ai jaka North Lama kipan South Lama kisifai yei reason thumdeng ki goma aki gom jaka yei reason thumdeng jaka sugar industry kichi nidanga North Lama nom pen tua South India Lama kisif sukfe kahi minerals based industry amasapena iron and steel industry. The production and consumption of steel is the index of economic development of a country. Yain again up to Bangiam Chile, production of iron. Gamkhatina iron bangza produce. Akel gamkhatina iron bangza consume. Yai tigel penha economic development adia index atina meter khat akel atina parameter khatahi. Why jaka gam changkang na dia gam economic development na dia iron and steel industry tamne poimo ma mahim achile India iron and steel industry so mama why so laka kwa government it ka hiya khat private in it ka Tata Iron and Steel Company. Tisco is the only private company and markets their products through Tata Steel. Then I again tangma banga yes Indiana steel plant so manaya why so laka khat kya private ahia why private company pen hile Tisco Tata Iron and Steel Company hi pen private run ahia private run hina taka a products thing amaule mau ki market why pen wine chibel amaule mau ki brand a brand mino hile Tata Steel hi Steel Authority of India Limited (SAIL) monitors the management and marketing of the steel products produced in the public sector. Which dan ma banga huya steel plant kwa steel ki produce teng kha government ahia why ki produce te management hina hita hena marketing hita heno why teng en kai to writing in kai to their organization ki bola hi Steel Authority of India Limited writing na azwak tanpa marketing tanpa ke management tanpa et kai wa hi ai la ka topic khat enjwal dingwa ta poimo ma reasons for the concentration of iron and steel industries in the Chotanagpur region. Bangzia ka iron and steel industry India ne itloi Chotanagpur region aki concentrate ahia chi en sukdewa. Number 1, good quality raw materials in proximity. Achia wise Chotanagpur region laka iron kichi iron ore hiya mai kele iron raw materials pen muntampia ki muai izaka bangzia ka muntampia Chotanagpur region ki muyam chile why pen plateau part peninsular India pen dina igen dan dewa ama bulla ma igen dan dewa alei pen ana luima ma izaka swang tiloi kha minerals ana ki convert hin why izaka minerals Indian minerals neiting atang pi uya plateau region ano mai uchima banga Chotanagpur le plateau region ai izaka Chotanagpura raw materials tampiom iron raw materials iron and steel bolna de raw materials tampi akim le kyang amuk the aum jaka Chotanagpur region na iron and steel industry ki concentrate ahi number ni na Chotanagpur region pen plain honi no na hi plain phai janga population mihing tamma ma why jaktaka industry iron steel industry and same ding bang kita samlo cheap labor bang all samta kamu the. Point number 3 na nearness to Kolkata port. Iron and steel industry it's a heavy industry a product still heavy. Also raw material heavy. Why is ka raw material stay transport na dia ke finished product stay transport na dia water transportation bang poimo. Bang ka water transportation poimo hiam chi changa water transportation chipen cheapest means of transportation hi. Why water transportation zatna dia Kolkata port to bang. Chotanagpur region bang kinai non why jaka iron and steel industry chipen Chotanagpur region ki concentrate ahi alina growth in the home market amar Chotanagpur region bang yet changa hopi lak urban areas ai honi hinchin au chi jaka mataka market bang omsa market bang ba bol tom ngai lo a market anom kin market hoi da kana ki setup kin jaka iron steel industry bang Chotanagpur region ki concentrate no na hi last point na dia good networks of transportation especially railways again tangma banga Chotanagpur region chi phai jang urban center ai komkoma ahi jak natak ahina jak taka transportation system bang ana hoi ma ana well established adia ka railways bang ana hoi ma yaiteng reason ki gom khoma iron and steel industry chi pen north lamya mai ke south lamya mai ke west ya mai ke east ya ma ki setup mai lowa dekan Chotanagpur region ki ana ki setup zo hi ei factor stage ya ka industry gam changkang na dina gam khan to na poimo ana poimo komkoma industrial in side effect tampian na ya yte effect lian ma effect poima ma hile pollution ai why pollution te khat ni in suk dingwa ama sapena air pollution bangchana industry na air pollution tun theyam chi le industry na mehu banga industry pan mehu potte na environment effect na air te hui te suni nahi air pollution tu nahi number ni na water pollution industry khat pe umaina akiran na dinga tui poimo inchin wai tui teung zangina atui za ten nin the pen ma te loi lui dung ya mai kele mun khen khata tuyom na water bodies I effluents the industrial effluents the kha khyau aun kha khya changa wai nin te na water tion pollute wai tung to na water pollution tu nahi thermal pollution chi changa industry khen khat na tui ha zat ma wai tuite atui sat azat teu direct ina luite yama luang ke sakuna suvot masalawa ucha atui sat loi on direct ang luang direct ang luite ang luang sakchangwa aquatic life tui sunga aquatic life ting thakat thua that ochi changa wai pen kha thermal pollution ki chahi thermal pollution echi changa industries na tui sa za teloi direct ka lui ichi river ichi pond ichi teloya akyat changwa thermal pollution tu nahi lina land pollution it bangchana land pollution tu niam chile industry insa thiljat wal a hoi lo te chinia a residue teloi mun khen khata mase khom amun khen khat gam ong khata pai khom se ko wai pai khom te wa thil hoi te chemical storm tom te lai jaka wai leite a lei hoi na ting su siun len pen degrade unchin wai a len degrade kya hilowa len pen na sataka on pollute wa him pollution to nahin number nga na noise pollution industry ina noise pollution industry machine ki ram te aging athom te loi jaka akim le kyang te dia bill up hoi di khopa noise produce oi jaka noise pollution bangle tun the ai tenga hiya air pollution water pollution thermal pollution land pollution le noise pollution ei te loi industrial ina pollution environment ina ye atmosphere on to te loi hi